When our ecosystem grows, there will be a lot of decentralized roles in our ecosystem. Centric will help to safeguard the liveliness of all the
Hello guys, and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing well today. This is video number 2 for this week, and as promised, I've come today with another interesting airdrop to review. So today we're going to be talking about Gradient Airdrop or Gradient project, what they are up to. We will deep dive into the project, its testnet, and the processes to which you can qualify for the airdrop. So that's what I'm going to be discussing today. So guys, welcome. Quickly, let's take a look at the market. Market cap were down by 1.6%, but BTC has done some good numbers in the last few days. We've moved from downwards of 78 to 83,000 plus, and we are not out of the woods yet, guys. We are not out of the wood as far as I'm concerned. So guys, trade carefully. If you're trading futures, don't overlong. Don't overlong it, and just take short profits. If you don't have some massive crazy liquidity, take some good profits and then get out of the market, short again and then get back to it, because from this chart it's still looking like it's trying to. That's that about the market, guys. A lot of things can happen in a short time. So guys, be careful out there. So let's get down to Gradient. If you're seeing our video for the first time, guys, you're welcome to the community. Don't forget that this video is sponsored by the like button. So guys, smash that like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible. We can do it together. Now to the main point, which is Gradient. What is Gradient and what are they up to? But today we're going to listen to the founder themselves. Let them tell us what Gradient is all about. I mean, who better to talk about Gradient than those behind the whole project?
Centric is our first product. It's a lightweight client that in the form of a browser extension. What it does is it can enable a peer-to-peer connection between two arbitrary nodes in the world and measure the latency in between the connection. So it mainly serves two goals. First, we want to establish a global and local connectivity topology map. That would help us a lot when in the future we want to orchestrate services. We want to match processing power with users. Secondly, when our ecosystem grows, there will be a lot of decentralized roles in our ecosystem. Centric will help to safeguard the liveliness of all those decentralized roles in our ecosystem. So here is a snapshot of what we have achieved 7 days after our launch. We have 70K verified nodes in more than 117 countries and regions, and we have already completed 400 taps. That's the peer-to-peer connections between nodes.
From the founder, he has explained what they are trying to do at Gradient, and it's a good one. If you want to learn further on what Gradient is all about, take a look at their document. I will attach it in the comment in the description below. You can take a look at their FAQ. You can also take a look at Gradient Network. They are going to be launching on Solana, and that event is also organized by Solana. So I think great things are coming up for you to join the Gradient Network. Alright, so how do you join the Gradient Network? It's straightforward, it's not cumbersome. So I will drop a link in the description below if you have not joined yet. It's my own referral link, so you can join through that link and join my click. So through that link, when you have clicked the link, it will bring you to this page. And on this page, you can see they are asking for your email. If you input your email here, it will send you, you click on the confirm button here. It will send you a code probably, and then with that code, you will be able to land on this page, or it can send you a link, and through that link, you are on your dashboard. So as you can see on the dashboard, they have various things here, which includes the overview of your dashboard, the nodes, the rewards, your referrals, and then your profile, which we're going to go through each of this page. On this overview, you can see that I've been able to gather about 445.07 points so far. And today's reward, I don't have any reward for today yet. Hopefully I will have more. And from the reward start, you can see the amount of time that I've been live. One other important thing here is that you have to be connected to the internet 247 for you to win some points every day. And then at times the network is not good enough. For instance, as for me, I've been trying to use MTN network at times, trying to use the Airtel network at times. At times it works, at times it does not work. So this can happen as well. So guys, take good notes of that. As you can see on my node, I have 2 nodes. One is not working, it's disconnected, where the other one is good. So I've been using this refresh tick node for the past few days now. So this is it. So if I click on this refresh node, you can see that I've been able to farm about 398. That is most of my points was farmed through this new node. So guys, look out for the internet you're using to ensure that you are actually on the right internet for it. If it is not connecting, that is, it's going to have a notification on it saying that the network is not good. But if you have a good tick on it, like you have here, you have a good tick on it, that means your network is good. And so far you can see that I've only have 1 tab. They call it tab, and today they said I've only have 0.75 points. So that's that about the node. And then for your rewards there, you can see the amount of time you are live, and it's going to show you a chart. You also have some achievements here. It shows you different achievements. It said referral maniac, having 10 qualified referrals, team player, keep in touch. That means you've connected your X account, which I've done. You can see it's ticked that as done. Then another one is a warm welcome, which is signing up with a referral code. That's why I said you should sign up with my referral code so that you can tick these and get your 3,000 EXP. Okay. Then there is a nomad live, which means you have to have an uptime of 72 hours. I've not been able to have an uptime of 72 hours, but the next one is up and steady, achieve 12 hours daily uptime. So I've been able to have a uptime of 12 hours. That's the reason why I had this tick, because I've done that. There is also another one they call Tap Master. That is 500 taps for the first time. That when you hit 500 taps, you're going to get another bonus. And there is the new kid on the block, which is deploy your first Centric node. When you deploy your first node, of course, you get that tick. And as you can see on my account status, I am on iron or bronze, very close to silver. So guys, join my referral, help get me to silver, right? I'm almost close. You don't have to refer people to actually get moving, you don't need to I have not been able to refer anybody because I like to go through things before I refer it and I discuss it here in the channel. So guys, join with my referral code. Yeah, so then on your referral, you'll see a page like this where you see this is my referral code, and then you see the number of people you've referred. They said both parties get 20 points for every qualified referral, and the referral earns a perpetual 10% bonus from all referees reward. So of course, as you guys are joining with my referral code, I'll be getting some points, and as you share with your own friends and loved ones as well, you'll also be getting some points. So that's that on the Gradient dashboard. And here you see your profile, where you can see this is my profile. They tell you your current status. It will let you know if your socials are connected. You can change your password, and that's that about it. So that's everything you need to know about Gradient. Another very important point here, guys, you can also connect using their node. You can connect to Gradient using your extension. They have an extension, and I've been using that as well. So this is it. So you can actually load using an extension instead of opening up a tab on your PC. so that you won't have so many tabs opened up. So some of these projects have an extension, and then with your extension you are able to, you see it's well recorded here, it said good. It will show your uptime. If you have any rewards, it will show that you have reward. It will show the number of referred people that you have, and you can also copy your code and share using the extension. So if you don't know how to use the extension, let me know in the comment below. You can join the community. You can join our community on Telegram. Pull up your questions, we're going to answer you, and that's about it. So guys, let me know what you think about Gradient in the comment section. That's all from me for Gradient. Let me know what you think about this project in the comment section. Share your opinion about it. If you're already on it, let me know the number of points you've been able to gather, and let's share our opinion and communicate on this. So that's that from me, guys. I'll be seeing you very shortly on another video this week. I think I have another video I want to post this week, all things being equal. So guys, thanks for watching. If you've watched this long, big up yourself. You are the VIP. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible. And if you are a new person on our channel, smash the subscribe button. We have loads of content you would love to see, loads of them, educative content, and we also have amazing stuffs coming. So guys, smash the subscribe button. Help get us from this 4,000 plus that we are to 10,000 subscribers that we are targeting for now. And thank you guys. I'll be seeing you in the next episode, guys. Take good care of yourself.